What's going on, everybody? So we're out here in Idaho. It's raining. It's pretty close to trout spawning season, so hopefully those two factors combined should mean that the trout are very aggressive and want some to eat. Old trusty gold spinner never goes wrong. I'm gonna get down there and get the first cast before Elijah does. Oh man, look at that. Ooh, fish hitting the top. First cast. I don't think I saw anything following that, but oh, yeah. Oh, that was a hit. Let's see if we can't do that again. Yeah. We're switching here to this red and white spoon. See how that does. Elijah's just tearing them up, man. For the first time in this channel's history, this guy is just ripping lips, man. Oh, nice fish, Elijah. Oh my goodness, that's a... You know, I say that every damn time somebody catches a fish. That thing's fat.
You got the gold?
I got red and white. Pretty fish, dude. Fish are hitting the top. Elijah caught two, but it's since died down. There's been no action. I really thought with their spawn and the rain and how good we did a couple days ago that we tear them up, but for some reason it doesn't seem to be that way. Those geese are beating the piss out of each other out there. They're so angry. Well, there it was. I'm an idiot. I reached up to turn the GoPro on instead of just trying to reel in the fish. Let's see it happen again, eh? Oh, nice. No! Back on! Oh my gosh! Oh no, this one's way bigger. No! He just spit again! Oh my gosh! Dude! That thing was a tank! I have no excuse for that. That was probably just a poor hook set, I guess. That rainbow spoon? Yeah. Oh, I just missed one. Dude, all right, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm not skunked anymore. That counts for me. Oh, I'm not calling it, but if I don't catch one, I'm fine with it. Oh! Another one. Did he just pull off? No! Dude, what am I doing wrong? I still got hooks on. Dude, what am I doing wrong? They're hitting it off the bottom pretty much. Dude, I can't believe I missed 4. I'm an idiot. I need to just like give it the good old bass hook set.
Wow.
That's what, I'm pretty sure I need to do that.
Especially if you're running, are you running barbless?
Yeah, you have to.
I know.
Okay, are you running barbed?
Yes.
You are?
No, not barbed.
Okay.
Solid hit.
Oh, this one's, oh, way out there. Did I miss? I missed. Dude. Give me another chance, Paul. And the geese and the beef are all pissed off.
Huh?
The beef and the geese are so angry.
I know. That's an odd combination.
These guys are straight up not having a good time.
Ain't nothing having a good time, even a fish. Got it.
No way, dude. No, good stuff. Is he still on?
He got away. I really. On the gold.
Really?
I just switched over to a gold spoon.
Son of a bitch. First cast on the gold spoon.
He feels lighter though.
It's not a bad trout, man.
Don't go into that. Nope, nope, nope. No.
All right, walk backwards and get him up on the bank so you don't lose your lure. Wouldn't put that much pressure on him. You're gonna lose them.
I want you up here.
There you go.
Like I felt it stomach.
All right, I ain't letting you go this time. Oh, dude, the branch got stuck in my thing. I'm just coming over here, yeah.
You got it, man. This for you. This is one of the 4 Zagos.
Shut up.
Had the ring on the side of the fish.
Oh! Dude, that thing's no joke. Oh my gosh. That thing's a slob.
Don't let him into the pipe, whatever you do.
Oh, dude, that thing's huge.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, dude, that's a chunky one.
It looks really healthy, too.
Yeah, that thing's fat.
It's death rolling. First time I've ever seen death roll.
Come here, you fatty.
Need pliers?
I think I'll be all right. Oh my goodness.
That is a really pretty fish, dude.
Oh, it's a male, look.
That he's sitting on a bed.
That is a big boy.
Dude, look at his jaw.
All right. Hey, he's been caught a lot.
He's freaking angry.
Wrong way, buddy. Oh, he splashed my balls. There you go.
Do people fish this more in the summer or the winter?
I don't know. Really, probably the summer. Definitely the summer, actually. I think. I don't know. I usually only fish it during the summer and spring. Because then the rest of the year I'm like hunting and bow fishing and whatnot. Dude, that fish. Yeah. Oh, that one.
Lamb.
I thought you were talking about that one that surfaced way out there.
He wasn't even that big. He's just jumping everywhere.
He's a pretty fish. They're all pretty fish.
You say that with every fish.
Who are we kidding? I need to stop saying it.
I mean, you're not wrong. They are pretty trout. But every one of them pretty that green.
All of them pretty.
Except for some. Some look ugly. Some I look at them like, what the heck happened to you? At the same time, I still want to catch the fish.
Yeah.
I think he came out of the pipe after it.
Oh, really? Was he close?
A little bit in front of the pipe.
Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness.
Good fish?
Feels like it.
It looks pretty good. Look at that guy. Look at my boy, all grown up.
Shut up.
Catching his own fish. No pity fish for Zachary today.
I caught more fish than days you've been alive, bro. Wow. Should I say? Look at the colors on that.
That's a pretty fish.
Hey, he's got most of his fins.
Yeah, he does.
Purdy.
Dude, they are all hyper. Let me at him. Let me at him.
Here you go. Dude, yeah, there's tons of eggs in this little pit.
Anything that breathes, they're just like, "Rah." I remember how to do the Palomar knot and the fisherman's knot. That's the one I usually use.
Yeah, I'm not very good at knots. In fact, in Boy Scouts, knots was like my weakest point, I bet.
When I took the class with Josiah, we did, it was for his board or whatever one summer.
Yeah.
And, are you serious?
Is that a fish? Oh, way out there. No, you weren't even reeling, you're just letting it sit.
That's why I was confused, because I looked at my hand to scratch my head and it pull, and I'm like, that doesn't add up.
Is he on?
Yeah, he's on. It's just weird. Dude, I wasn't expecting anything to
You didn't even touch it. You just cast it. And
I cast it, and I was like, I'm going to let it sink for a second and scratch my head.
That's interesting.
It is.
Oh, he's coming up. Oh, dude, that's a nice fish.
Come back. Come back. He had one good run, and he almost fooled me.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming back.
No, no.
That thing looks kind of dark.
This is actually probably the most fun I've ever had with a trout.
Oh, wow, dude. He's got all kinds of spots on him. This other trout just come up and was chasing yours around.
I might have to set my drag a little bit better.
Oh, yeah. Need I say? That's a pretty fish. Let me help you. Don't put too much pressure on him. Dude, that thing's so cool.
I like that. That's cool.
That thing's a stud. Look at those colors too. No, ain't good. Well, I've come to the conclusion of nothing. I feel like because their attitude has changed since last time we were here with the spawn, I feel like it's not really fair to say that it's better to fish in the rain per chance. Just the way we're fishing now really is what depends, not on their regular eating patterns because they're in spawn. So that's it.